Hello, 5th grade families. Welcome to Chippewa's virtual Parent Information Night. We are happy that you have joined us. We are here to share with you information about our Dean team and how we can help support your student during their time in middle school. My name is Jennifer Kearns, and this is my 3rd year working here as one of the deans at Chippewa. My alphabet includes letters A through DE. Next, I would like to introduce Avis Fink. She has worked in education for many years as a social worker, and this is her 2nd year as a dean here. I will now hand it over to my colleague, Mr. Swanson.
Hello everyone. As Jennifer mentioned, I'm Taylor Swanson, another one of the deans here at Chippewa, and I'm representing all the students with the last names J through MI. And I'll be entering my 4th year here at Chippewa, and before that I spent quite a few years as a 5th grade teacher. So I know what it's like and how nerve-wracking it may be to transition your young student from the elementary level over here to the big middle school. And there's a picture of my 2 little ones there to the side. I'm next going to introduce my colleague, Caleb Bjorklund. He represents the students with the last names MJ through SE. And Caleb has spent over the last 10 years all working here in the Mounds View schools, spending some time at the high school level as well as a few of our middle schools. And last but not least is Mrs. Heather Timmons. She is here working with all of our students at the end of the alphabet with the letters SF through Z. And she has spent over 20 years with tons of experience here in the Mounds View schools, as well as working at all 3 of our middle schools in the district. And now I'm going to transition to talk specifically about the role of the dean. We're here to partner with you and support your student along the way. We know transitions can be both exciting and challenging for our students in a normal year. However, this past year has been anything but normal. We find ourselves having some challenging but yet promising conversation with our students to help guide them through this online experience, as well as spending some time in the building during this pandemic. Our students are resilient and amazing, and we recognize the obstacles they have had to navigate with the many changes in their education during this COVID-19 school year. We're here and promise to walk alongside you and your student and support you through this important transition. And keep in mind, every student will participate in 3 formal dean check-ins throughout each year, as well as many other times when we will connect and cross paths along their journey through Chippewa. Now on academic support. Our 6th graders have many exciting and challenging new learning opportunities available to them. We can support students academically in the following ways. We find ourselves developing a lot of these young 6th graders' organizational skills, developing their time management skills, learning how to navigate some technology such as our Student View platform, learning those self-advocacy skills, encouraging and assisting them with some goal setting and their strong study habits. And lastly, as many of our students participate in a lot of outside school activities, really balancing that schoolwork with those sports and activities.
Hello, 5th grade families. I would now like to talk with you about another area of support that we provide our students. This is the social emotional support. We want our students to be involved and take pride in Chippewa being their school. We have many different options for after-school activities, school clubs, and special events throughout the school year. We hope and encourage all students to be a part of that. When students are having a tough day and in need of extra support, they are welcome to come down to the student support area and talk with their dean. If your child's dean is not available, any one of the deans will be happy to step in and help out. While we each have our own assigned portion of the alphabet, we truly believe in supporting all students and working closely as a team in order to make that happen. Lastly, we are able to connect students and family with many outside and school-based resources. Please do not hesitate to reach out if your child is struggling with anxiety, depression, stress management, or other mental health needs. We are here for you and your student. And our final slide is around middle school planning. During the summer, every dean will reach out to the students on their caseload to set up a middle school planning meeting. This will be a great opportunity for us to get to know one another, answer any questions you may have, and discuss how we can best support your child here during their middle school years. Please remember, we are here to support you. You may reach out to us at any time. Our contact information is listed below. Until then, please have a safe and healthy remainder of the school year.